of Windows Movie Maker itself. You can talk of screencast. There are not many, but if you learn this software, I think you will be able to learn or pick up on your own all the other video editing software on your own. So first, I would like to share my screen and want to show you. Also, want to give you a link at the same time. Just giving you a link where you can download this software for free. Give me a minute. It's on the chat window, the link where you can download, and I'm sharing my screen of the same link, just presenting.
Good evening, ma'am. I just wanted to ask the link which you had shared. I tried to download it, but it is not downloading on Windows 10. It is only applicable for Windows 8. I think so.
Yeah, it's an old. You can always try for Windows 10 also. You have to look for your OS there. It works well. I have to tell you one thing. This version of Windows Movie Maker, I have it with Windows 10 only. Probably some other reason. It is downloadable very much with Windows 10 also, but there is the option of for Windows 10 Movie Maker also, but that's a paid one.
Yes,
That's a paid one.
that is a paid one.
Yes.
So
yes.
it was not downloading on my computer actually. So that's why I don't
But
know.
it can be downloaded, because if you see my, are you all able to see my screen?
Yes, yes.
And right now I have on my system Windows 10, and this is the and I'll be using the same one free download for Windows on my software. This one. So probably you just try downloading once again and just let me know.
All this was coming there. All this was coming there on my page also, the same thing. But when I'm downloading, it is downloading first of all in a very different language. I don't know which one, not the English one. And when I tried to open, it was saying that there are certain files missing and this, and then it stopped.
All right. So yeah, that would be the reason. It must not have been the whole installation, but it really works well with Windows 10, as I'm myself using on this system Windows 10 along with this Movie Maker. So it is there. So right now, just pick up the software. If you are able to download, let's say Filmora or Screencast, any other, then it forms a basis for it. All the video editing software will have the similar kind of features, more or less. Even Filmora has the similar kind of features, which I'll be dealing with today. Before I start my session with Windows Movie Maker, I would also like to share with you the link for my Padlet, where I want to first begin with, since we are all in blended learning phase, I want to begin with why at all, how videos can help in blended learning. So I'm copying the link again on the chat window. So you can just give your reviews there. I'm also typing my reviews. So this is a Padlet. You can just interact saying that how videos can be useful for blended learning. So when you will learn this class, you will be able to apply in your blended learning also. So I wanted to begin with this 2 minutes session on blended learning, so that we will take it forward with Windows Movie Maker. I hope so. My Windows, now I'll share my Windows Movie. Let me first share. This is my Padlet screen. Can you see on the bottom right corner the plus sign? If you click on that link. Gurpreet sir, is my Padlet screen available?
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
All right, all right. So just 2 minutes. I want to start myself saying that videos can videos can add life to teaching classes. So I just want 2 minutes to a thought process. How do you implement when we are learning video making, let's say with any software? So how will you implement it with blended learning? So that will give us the purpose of learning video making in this class. So you can give that. I'm waiting for your comments there. I hope my Padlet is accessible to all of us. All right, people are typing. Yes, I got one message. A video can be worth million words. Videos can make classes more lively and act as icebreaker even on for the kids. It's a better way to represent thoughts with the help of text and graphic. Yes. Yes, more. I'm looking for more comments. I can add one more from my side that when we're working on videos and I look for accessibility, especially in this time, in these times, videos are accessible on all the platforms. But for our WhatsApp kiya, my children make video and before they send it to me on mail or upload it on Drive, they send it to me on WhatsApp. This is practically happening. So videos are accessible on all the platforms these days. MP4 format is accessible all the formats. So that's one thing. Accessibility of devices, it's user friendly. I got one more comment. You can write your name so that I can identify you. As pictures and videos can help in better understanding and are more engaging. Period of time. All right, we are overlapping, I think. Yes. They are more engaging. Then we get as pictures and video stays longer period of time in our brain, it's helpful. Yes, I want to add here the differential learning style. All the children do not learn in the same way. They learn in a different way. And when, let's say videos, it catches their attention very fast. So engaging them and, catching them with, if it is very well blended with the music, right set of dialogues, pictures, video effects, transitions, then it really engages the children well. All right. So keep on pouring your comments, dear teachers, and I would love to have these and we'll implement in the class. We can always implement these ideas with videos in the class. So before now, I would like to start with Windows Movie Maker. Closing this screen. So all of you can see my Windows Movie Maker screen, the interface, the very first interface of Windows Movie Maker as you start.
Yes, ma'am, it is visible.
Yes, it is visible.
Yeah, thank you. And now in any of the video editing software, the first thing, take it Filmora or this one, the first thing that it will require us that we should have a storyline of the video to be made. For example, you want to make on environment, you want to make on, let's say, robotics, you want to make on, let's say, life cycle of any animal. So the storyline should be there. And based on that storyline, you should have the collection of pictures from the net, from Google or from YouTube. So how do you download videos from YouTube? Can I just know?
That's this Neelam here, ma'am. We copy a URL and we open the new tab that is saved from net.
Exactly. Yes, very handy tool. You type save from net and just copy the URL and download. Like that we have in many other online ways of downloading. Yes, I also use Save from Net, very handy and quick.
Second very easy option is just type SS before youtube.com.
Yes,
Whatever the URL is there before YouTube, just type SS, save from net, window automatically opens.
yes, you're right. You're right. So that's one added information here from ma'am, that you click on save from, either you can click on a link from Google, or you can directly type there / and you have to type that save from net. Ma'am, if you can type that on the chat window, everybody will know how to type that / and save from net, and then it directly appears and takes your link. So that's the way. So you can, related videos can be downloaded from YouTube. And once you have the set of or collection of videos and images in a folder, keep it, organize it in a folder, and then simply come to this tool and go for add. So first we have to add all those videos and pictures that I want to create a video on. So I click on this. And this is same option in almost all the video editing software. So I'm going for my folder. I'm first going for these few images here. So I have some paintings being done by my children. So I'll just do it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
I'm not able to install that download Windows Movie Maker till now. Some message.
Which version of Windows do you use?
Can I share?
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Just a minute.
Yes, ma'am. Same problem I am also facing.
You all have Windows 10, is it?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
We have Windows 10.
All of you have Windows 10.
Yes, ma'am. It's not downloading.
And what is the problem it is giving it to you? Like, can I just, somebody, if you would like to share your screen?
Just a minute, ma'am. I'm sharing.
I'm happy to share my screen.
I have Windows 7, ma'am.
Sorry for my dog. Sorry.
Just a minute. I'm sharing, ma'am. This is Archana. I'm sharing.
Archana, were you able to download?
Yes, ma'am. I have clicked on your link that you have provided, and I'm
Ma'am.
getting this message. Just a minute. I have downloaded it. Is it visible my screen?
Yes, your screen is visible.
Yes. Some other language is there that I cannot read.
That's Windows 7.
Yes, this is Windows 7.
Ma'am, can you please share the link to download Windows Movie Maker?
I have shared it already.
Ma'am, can you please share it again?
Yes, sure. Okay. Okay, let's learn the software, and then probably I will check myself and get back to you on the reason why it is again shared on the link.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Because yesterday I myself downloaded and tried downloading on Windows 10 system, not on Windows 7 because I don't have. It downloaded well.
Yes, ma'am. I also downloaded, ma'am, yesterday. On Windows 10, this Windows Movie Maker. I think another version is available there.
Yes. It's a
Yeah.
if you see for the Windows paid version, but Windows 7 can also be downloaded there.
Ma'am, yes, yeah.
It can
It's
be.
working also good, yeah, ma'am. On Windows 10, this Windows Movie Maker. Yes.
Yes, it works well with Windows 10 because two systems I'm using here right now, and both of them have Windows 10. And I did from the same link just to test myself. I did it from the same link. Probably we'll get back to the screenshots. You can, Gurpreet sir, you can share the screenshot with me, and possibly I'll provide the solution or best possible solution for what is the error occurring in this system.
Right, ma'am.
All right. So should we continue learning the software right now?
Please.
Yeah. So
Ma'am, the software which we will get is a trial version or a permanent?
no, for Windows, if you go for Windows 7 free download, that's an older version. That one I'm teaching to you it's a full version. It is not a trial version. But if you go for the upgraded version of Windows 10, which is based on Windows 10 and which is the latest of Windows Movie Maker, that is paid software and you will get a watermark in that.
Yes, ma'am. This is
You
the
will get
problem
watermark
I'm
in
also
that.
facing.
So you have to pay for that actually,
Okay,
for the
ma'am.
latest. So instead of that, you can learn the tricks here, and you can apply in lot many free tools which are available. Screenocast is there. Then there is Filmora is there. Filmora you can try, and there are lot many online editing softwares are there free, which are available free.
No, ma'am. In Filmora also the same watermark comes as in Windows Movie Maker.
Have you gone for the trial version or the full version?
Ma'am, the trial version.
उसमें एक ही आपको कॉपी करना होता है. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Another which one you told? Please speak up again.
I'll tell you the names. There are lot many.
Fine.
Screenocast, I believe. Screenocast, which
Okay,
is
ma'am.
free. There is something with Screeno. I'm not getting the exact name. Something to do with Screenomatic. Screenocast.
It is Screencast-O-Matic. It is Screencast-O-Matic.
Yes. So those are free
Screencast-O-Matic.
software.
Okay, ma'am.
And I am forgetting on the exact name right now, but I can send you on the group. the
Oh,
exact
sure, ma'am.
name.
Please. Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
yeah. So let's switch over to Movie Maker. Can you see my screen? All of you can see my screen?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
It's
Yes,
visible.
All right. So I have imported few pictures here right now. Now I am going to import some videos. So it's a combination of pictures and videos that usually we work on. So I come to this videos. Let me take Angel. And I've taken 2 videos here. So I'm keeping it short and I'll teach you editing with these only. So I have an introductory video here. I have few images and I've added. So make a collection of your pictures and videos and add using this option. Now, next thing comes is what's the title of your presentation? You can, when you use title, it will give you a blank screen. I can always drag and drop. Wherever the cursor is, it gets inserted. Title is to add the introduction to your screen, and you get a text message box here. So you click on this and you can simply double click and add. So here you get. So my topic is the global goals. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes.
Because I just the global goals. This is my topic. But if you choose title option, you will not have anything in the background. You will not have much in the background. You can always apply the effects. So I have this effect from here. So these are so when you insert a text, you have automatically these effects available. You can drop down and choose these effects for yourself, right? So I have applied that. Now I have, if I want a background with the introductory screen, then I will go for captions. So I have a background. So again, I say caption. So it has a background. So title और caption में क्या difference रहेगा? Title में आपको background आप अपना मर्जी से नहीं add कर पाएंगे, picture या video. While अगर आप caption option लेते हैं, तो आप एक अपना introductory video download करके उसमें add करके उसमें captions add कर दीजिए. So I can have here for sustainability. So I have, and for any text that you want to add, I can choose from here. So creativity is yours. You can explore the option, which one you want to go for. Let's say I want to go for this one. Yeah, I can go for this one, right? So I have added come to home. I've added the videos. I've added the title. I've added the caption. Credits. In any movie, credits will come at the end. Sometimes it comes in the beginning, but here we would like to add in the end. So I have this. Now, I want to teach you is, suppose this is a video and it's going very long, and as you click on this, there are video tools, narration tools and text tools right on the top of the window. Video tools पे click करेंगे, speed बढ़ा सकते हैं यहाँ से 2x. So I make it 2x, it becomes little smaller and goes little faster for me. So if you see here, it goes faster. Okay, and the time is reduced, right? So this is from video tools. As I clicked on that, I'm just putting Control Z. Another way is, now I want you're playing a video, you can test a video here. Now I just want my video to end here, let's say, or begin from here. So I want my video to begin from here. So I'll shift my text here, drag, and let's say I want my video to begin from here. So just place, you can see this is the pointer, we can drag and just place, and you can say set start point. Set start point. So उससे पहले वाला portion trim हो गया. All right. उससे पहले वाला portion trim हो गया. Now I want my text to be starting from here. अगर मैं यहाँ से text शुरू करती हूँ, and let's say I'm playing a video here, I'm testing here, the text is not appearing because text appears from this point. You can check the time duration also here. All right. Now, in case you want your text to appear right from the beginning, just drag your text here quickly and place it here. So now your text is starting right from the beginning. And I want this much of background only. I want my video. So pause here and let my video end here. I want my video to be, say, set end point. So set start point, you can select the clip, right click, set start point, set end point. Clear? If you want to remove, let's say I am again doing Control Z. All right. Now what I want is, I want my video to be divided into two parts from here. So right click and split. अब क्या हो गया, एक वीडियो के दो पोर्शंस बन गए. ठीक है? If you want to use this part for some text and this part from some other text, you can always do that, right? And you can always remove that. I can always remove it from here. So I'm removing it. So we have learned here, I'm just recapitulating. We've learned adding videos. We've learned title, caption. And if I want to trim a video, let's say set start point, right click. You have to click on that, right click, set start, set end, and remove. So these three options we have learned here. Now coming back to, so we have all the things here. I want duration of, if you play this, you get the duration here if you see my cursor here. तो ये बहुत लंबे टाइम तक जा रहा है. I want to reduce its time. So select this, come to video tools, duration. Can you see duration here? So I'm going to reduce this duration, let's say to 3. So वो अब जल्दी जल्दी चलेगा और उसका duration कम हो गया. So if you want to make a shorter video, so we can do that. Now this image of mine is tilted. So I come to home and I just fix it from here. Right? So I have fixed. So rotating left, right, rotating left and rotating right. So this can fix for me. This is working fine. Now this was the video sound in the video. What I want is, I hope no doubts till here. Till here, no doubts?
No, ma'am.
All right. Now I want my sound or my music to be inserted in between. So what am I going to do? First, let's learn how to add narration. All the tools are there in the home tab. Okay. So I come to, let's say I want to begin here, record narration, come here and just say record narration and record. it has started recording. So this is my presentation on SDGs for sustainability. So I've stopped. So once I stop, you have a narration in the form of audio file available to you, and you just save it in one of your folders. I saved it. And it has come here automatically. Can you see? So let's play it. It has started recording. So this is my presentation on SDGs for sustainability. So I've stopped. So this is recordings. Very easy and handy. So from here, on the home tab, record narration, and you can, suppose आपके पास किसी के narrations already पड़े हुए हैं या रखे हुए हैं, add sound, and you can add from here. Now, if I want to add music to my presentation, so I can go for add music, and I can take it from my folder. So for this, you need to have MP3 file downloaded already. So you should have it. So this is my music. Can you see the separate portion is in green color being added to your video? And it automatically takes till the end of your video. So we'll just test it. Recording. So this is my presentation on SDGs for sustainability. So I'm everyone, welcome to this presentation. So very easy, add music. For this, you need to have your MP3 file, you can always, suppose you have a music in MP4 file, there are always tools available. You can convert the music of video file to MP3 file using the converter softwares online available. You can very well do that. All right. So we have narration added, we have music added. I'm removing this narration. So you want to remove this narration, simply click on this particular area, delete or remove. I want to remove this narration. You can simply let this be there already, just to know the feature is there. So this is there already. Now I want to do is, मेरे ये वाले portion पे a child is speaking. So what I want to do is उसका music कम हो जाना चाहिए. तो पहले मैं क्या करूँगी? I'm going to just split my music here. So click on here, place the cursor here. Let's see if it allows me to split. Split कर दिया यहाँ से. Now for this, again, for my child is speaking till here. Okay. And this also my child is speaking. So he has sound in his video. So I want my music to play little lower side. So what I'll do is I'll select this portion. I come to music tools here on the top. So music tools, music volume सबसे पहले कम कर दो, so that it does not hamper with the sound of the child. So अब मैंने उसको यहाँ पे, और आप fade in, fading मतलब when the music starts, it should be little slow, and fade out means when it ends, it should go medium. All right. So now let's play it. So the music has become very mild now. So I hope I'm clear till here. So you have to, first what I did was, suppose certain portion of the music you want to edit or make it mild. First split that music by right clicking on this and split, like we splitted the video. Then you come to that portion, select that portion of your music, come to music tools and music volume, reduce it the way you want, and fade in. Fade in का मतलब होता है जब शुरू हो तो धीरे से शुरू हो, fade out मतलब जब खत्म हो तो धीरे से खत्म हो. So this is what is fade in and fade out. I hope I'm clear till here. Adding music narration is clear, and yes?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now going further with Now, there are two effects that we can apply to our video. One is the transition. If you remember in PowerPoint also, we have transition and video effects. Transition effect means when you are switching over from, let's say, this intro video to this picture. So it's a transition. It's a changeover from this video to this picture, from this picture to this picture, and from this picture. So what effects you want to apply as the introductory part of the coming picture or video? So that's transition. And here we call it animations. All right, we come to animations. We have not many effects here. So you can take one. So I have taken, now whichever portion, this portion was selected. So transition was added for this. Now I want to select this and I want to take more for this. So you can scroll down and take whichever you want. So I have taken. Now, this is transition when we are switching over from one picture to another. So you see this small triangular portion is formed here on your clip, which shows that you have applied the transition to your clip, right? Now coming to video effects. Video effects, let's say this one, and we have it here. It's the way your little bit of animation to your existing content is added. So this is, I take it for different, let's say. So this should soothe you. I mean, the effects are not compulsion to anyone. This should soothe your content, and so you have to choose. It is not compulsory to apply these effects in any video making, right? So I've just taught you how to do this. So animation is the transition and video effects is the effect to the video being given on its position, actually. So this is it. Now coming to credits, snapshot and all, these are the options where you can go and take a snapshot of any screen and bring it here. So you can just try this out. Let's say, okay, it's more like an image only. Snapshot is more like images you've been saved on your system. Credits and the end now. So credits where? Credits normally comes at the end here. So let's say who made the presentation? YEP. All right. Let's say teachers. So credits, and you can always apply the effects from here. These are the text effects. I'm going to again tell you these text effects once again. So I'm applying from here. Whenever you are going to apply, whenever you're going to add the text or the caption, let's say I want to add the text to this, the child name is Chavi. So I want to add caption here. So this text appears here. And I will say that this was Angel Chiron, let's say. So I've added the text here. Now, how do you want your text to appear? You want to change the color and all, you can simply, you can just change it from here. That you can always do. From here, take any effect which suits best. So I take one effect. So these are the effects and it comes with text tools. Whenever you're going to add from home the captions or the titles or the credits. So these text tools will appear here, these ones. Okay. When you go for any other software, let's say any online software, more or less transition effects, text tools, fonts, arranging of text, titles, captions is same. Okay, so maybe they must be placed here and there, but more or less they are same. So this is how we make it. Now suppose we are done with most of the features. We are done with. We're done with adding music. We're done with title and caption. We're done with credits. We're done with splitting. Now final stage is now you want to save it. So save movie, recommended. I always go for high definition display 1084. So I save this. So now my movie is converting into MP4 format.
Ma'am, this is Neelam here. In the meantime, movie saves. It will take 1 or 2 minutes. This
Yes.
program is machine dependent. Suppose I make a program, I change the folder name, everything will be vanished or disturbed. So
Yeah, I just forgot one thing. Yeah, it is machine dependent. The project part, MP4 can be run anywhere.
yeah,
जो अभी
because
movie
I have
बन के आएगी. हाँ,
yes,
I'll tell
I
you
have
that.
worked
I'll
in
tell you.
this. Yeah. So before working on this software, I always plan what should be the file name, where should be the folder. So otherwise, if
Yes.
everything goes disturbed. Thank you.
Exactly. Yes. Bringing to my notice, yes, it is. Before we actually make it a movie, I forgot that movie that you make is portable on any format. But before, suppose you have stopped here, you are in the middle of the project. So you have to take a folder and organize all your content in the same folder. If the location of a particular image, let's say, अभी मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी यह वीडियो आपका हट गया उस location से from where you had initially inserted, it may say it will tell you that this file is not found. So very Neelam, thank you for bringing this. It is very important for this. I'll just let you know once the movie is made. But जब movie बन जाती है वो कहीं भी चला सकते हो आप. So if you have a movie maker in front of you, file, save the project as. The project gets saved with the extension WMP. All right. So initially, even the older version used to be WMB, but now it is not WMP, it's WMP, I believe so.
Excuse me, ma'am. One more thing I want to ask that can we compress these videos, or how can we compress the videos so that we can share these videos, whatever we are preparing in WhatsApp? Because in WhatsApp there is some limit nowadays. So please tell me about
we can always compress the videos. There are utility softwares online available which helps us in compressing these videos. Utility softwares are online.
Yes, ma'am. Online
which,
software. Yeah.
Yeah, so you can always compress them. Yes,
But sometimes when we
I'll just show you.
When we compress them,
The effects are gone. Effects are gone.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, the two format, na, lossless and lossless, so we have to select that one. Then, yes, ma'am. Yeah.
So I'm just right now playing the video. Then I'll show you how to save the project and all. My system is going a little slow, I believe. Takes little time.
Now, I think best part of this software is it doesn't show the watermark. Even
yes, and it is free. Because I tried downloading other software.
this is simple and good.
Yeah, I'll start from the beginning. So this was the narration portion. This was the video effect. This is the video effect. This is transition effect. Can you see the music has lowered down now? Because we split it and we reduce the volume of the music.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, fade in, fade out.
Yeah. And even the volume to be reduced.
In this software, we can even minimize the volume to 0 and add another MP3.
These were credits. So this is this very simplest of all and forms the basis of all. Now coming to what Neela ma'am had brought in notice, file, save project. So we have to, it's saved as .w. Very important here. अगर जहां से आपने उसको import किया था, for example, I imported from, let's say I imported from today. I imported from this folder, my content. If any of this content, let's say मैं एक ये वाला निकाल देती हूँ यहाँ से, let's say I move it to here, तो वहां पे वो error show करेगा. So let's see this now. So first I have to save that project. Let me save it. Save project as. So it gets saved with Movie Maker projects and its extension is WLMP. So just save it as my movie only in my folder today. Now, if I close from here now and go back to my folder, okay, it's my movie. So can you see the difference? This is this icon you will see as a project. This icon indicates the role kind of a thing, indicates it's a project, and MP4 is different. So I just click on this. I hope my screen is visible, the document window.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see this content is not visible here? I started recording. So this content is not visible because I changed the location of this particular video. So very important that the location remains the same when you are importing your videos from here throughout until you publish your video as MP4. So location of all the inserted contents should remain the same. अगर आपने उसका location change कर दिया while making the project, it will give you this kind of an error, and this is that your content is not available. This content is not available. Only text was shown, right? So very important. Yes. So this is all about this. Any doubts, if anyone has, can let me know. This. Yes.
Excuse me. Means
Yes.
whatever files we have taken in our video, they must be at their own place, isn't it?
Yes. Till you are making the project.
Okay. Once the movie is saved, movie or project?
Yes.
ये मूवी है या प्रोजेक्ट, मतलब सेव क्या होना, किस फॉर्म में होना चाहिए?
हाँ, जब तक आपने MP4 अगर सपोज आप प्रोजेक्ट में कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं, यू स्टिल इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ मेकिंग अ प्रोजेक्ट एंड यू हैव नॉट पब्लिश्ड एज मूवी, then you have to keep the location of all the imported files same. If you have published it in a video तो final product है which can be run on any platform, and we cannot edit a video. You can trim a video, you can edit or split a video, but then जो project रहता है, project में आपका content remains in a raw form with effects, right? So if I just share the screen with you. Yeah, this is my raw project. All these content are not, these things will not be visible once I publish the video from here. Once it is converted into MP4, we will not have these things visible. Right? So,
when we convert it into video, we can save this video file anywhere in the system or in the same folder where we can keep the...
No, video file can be saved anywhere, but you should know the location.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. वो क्योंकि प्ले आपको एक ही बार दिखाता है, But if you have to share it with somebody, then you should know the location of that file. So better to use the same folder only, so that you know that your MP4. अब जैसे आपका वीडियो जो बन के आएगा, I'm just sharing my screen once again. ये आपका वीडियो है. This is video. Can you see the difference in the icon?
Yes,
This is a project file.
Yeah.
ये आपकी मूवी मेकर का जो आइकन आ रहा है वो प्रोजेक्ट फाइल है, और ये आपका MP4 फॉर्मेट है. एंड यू कैन ऑलवेज सी इन द टाइप, यू कैन ऑलवेज सी दिस इज MP4 फाइल एंड दिस इज अ मूवी मेकर प्रोजेक्ट.
Okay, ma'am.
ये आप कहीं भी डाल सकते हैं इसको, कहीं इसकी लोकेशन कहीं मैटर नहीं करेगी. इट्स अ फाइनल प्रोडक्ट. इफ आई प्लेस इट इन डॉक्यूमेंट्स, आई कैन रन फ्रॉम देयर आल्सो.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, I can run from here. I hope it has come there. I don't know. It's still coming, I believe. No. So the location of this file doesn't matter. That's what I'm trying to say.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Any other doubt? So very simple tool and handy. It is free. You can post the screenshots personally to me or on YEP group about why it is not, what error it is showing to you for Windows. Yes, Archana ma'am.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
I have done a lot of song editing in Movie Maker.
Yes.
I mean, combined 2-3 files, given lots of effects, and I've done a lot of music for the past 3-4 years. I've been working on this, and I've made music for my annual day programs and all that.
Yes,
so it works beautifully for that also.
It works, and very simple also. It's a very simple tool to work on.
Yeah, trimming and everything, fade out, fade in, all effects can be given very nicely, even on audio files.
Yes.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
Yeah, I had downloaded.
Okay, ma'am. I
and
think
removed.
Neelam ma'am, may I?
Yes, please go ahead.
Okay. Ma'am, actually this question I think asked by one of another participant, that can we have, can we divide into 4 frames or 2 frames, and can we run 2 different videos together, like side by side?
No.
Can we have this option?
With this older version, it is not possible. No.
Okay.
Frames overlapping, we call it overlays. If you work on any other software, we call it overlays. Overlays में क्या होता है? Layers बन जाती हैं. It is overlays होते हैं.
overlays
उसमें आप और उसका मैं एक सिंपल सा तरीका बताऊं. PowerPoint में भी अगर आप जाए ना, PowerPoint में insert video करें, there is an option in PowerPoint when you place 2 videos parallelly, let's say, and you just give some effect to them, and you convert your PowerPoint to MP4. It beautifully becomes. वहां से फिर इसको आप मूवी मेकर में लाके एडिट कर सकते हैं.
Okay.
These are simple tricks I'm telling you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
PowerPoint में आप 2 वीडियोस पैरेलली अपलोड कर लीजिए, इंपोर्ट कर लीजिए, उसको MP4 में कन्वर्ट कर लीजिए, और MP4 में आके यहाँ पे इफेक्ट्स दे सकते हैं आप.
Okay. Thanks you then. Thank you. Thanks.
But if you use Filmora या इसका Windows Movie Maker का paid version, उसमें overlays possible है.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Ma'am, Filmora I have tried. Yes, it is possible in that. But I was just asking about this. If
But
we can do.
Filmora is not available as such free.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to have the what do you say? My students used to get the key logger.
Exactly, ma'am. We are using the related versions,
Yes.
Okay.
So that's how you can use it.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes.
Ma'am, just little confirmation. Are you using pro version or the free version?
I'm using free version. Totally free.
Somehow the tools that you have, I don't see it in mine.
You can share your screen.
Sure.
Share your screen.
Ma'am, can we change the color of the text?
We can change the color of the text. जैसे हम font में करते हैं, word में font color change करते हैं, वैसे कर सकते हैं. I'll just share my screen quickly.
Yes, ma'am, please.
By the time ma'am
Sorry. I think I started presenting.
No problem.
So this is it. Now, where do I find the tools?
Good you brought this. I wanted to highlight this also. Good you brought this. This comes with photos. It has little lesser options. This is not.
No, I have these videos. These are videos.
No,
that I've brought in.
this is also another utility tool by Windows, but it comes with Photos app, and it doesn't have as much effects as Windows Movie Maker will have.
This one, the one that I downloaded is Movie Maker only.
Yeah, it's a different version though. It's a different. Yes, I have worked on this. It's a different version. Can
So,
you just one sec? I'll stop presenting. Can you just can you share your screen once again, Dee? Just once again. Let me help you out with the options.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. It is also free, teachers, and this comes with little different layout and interface. It comes with it is a free, but it is little lesser option than Windows Movie Maker. So what were you asking? Which option were you looking for, if I can help you out?
Ma'am, all the transition effects, because here we have limited transition effects only.
It will have limited.
Ma'am, if you can give me the name once again, maybe I will try downloading that.
Yeah, Windows Movie Maker. Normally look for Windows Movie Maker for Windows 7. Windows 7 Movie Maker 7 actually.
Acha, Movie Maker 7. Okay,
Yes.
Okay, because this is Movie Maker, I believe.
This is the very handy tool again, a latest version, but with limited options.
If I'm not mistaken, Windows Movie Maker used to come by default with Windows till Windows 7.
Correct.
Yes, but Windows 10 it doesn't come.
Yes, for Windows 10 it is not.
So you have, so you suggest that we download Windows Movie Maker 7 rather than
the one
10.
if you want to use the one I showed it to you, because it has.
You had better transition effects. I could hardly see anything in mine.
Yes. That's why I chose this. One is free. Second, it has better effects, and it's easy. It's very handy and easy. बहुत जल्दी बन जाता है इसमें.
Any more
So
queries?
good you brought this, ma'am, because I wanted to share.
Because in transition, as you can see,
yes.
Sorry, as you can see, there are just 3. Rest are all in Pro version.
Yes. So good, you learned, though you didn't get, but you learned another tool, and you could show it to every one of us.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yes, Vikasa, you have a query? You are on mute, Vikasa.
That's right. Ma'am, I just want to share my experience that I have been using that Coral Visual Studio from last 7 years, and that software. I have just downloaded for 30 days trial, and it is very easy to trimming and each and everything. There's so many effects are also there, but again, after 30 days there is a license again problem.
और एक चीज और होता है, जब आप कोरल का कोई भी सॉफ्टवेयर डाउनलोड करते हो 30 डेज एक मशीन पे किया, उस मशीन पे दोबारा डाउनलोड नहीं कर पाओगे आप.
We need to format our system.
होता है.
Yes.
फिर आपको दूसरी मशीन ढूंढनी पड़ेगी if you want to work on 30 days more trial. So this is what it identifies that machine, and it doesn't allow download for the second trial version. So that is what is the thing with trial version.
I used to do these things on my school, in my school that. I am just downloading the software in different systems. So the 7 years I have worked on.
Trial version, it happens like that. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Any other query?
Archana, ma'am, you have raised your hand.
Yes, sir. I also getting some other version, and it is written here Win Movie Maker. Just a minute. Okay, so I'm also not getting the options. That's why I raised hand.
What I'll do, teachers, I'll share on Sir's group, YP group, all the links from where you can download the versions that ma'am has shown just now, and Windows Movie Maker 7 also. Meanwhile, you can also share your screenshots where you are getting the error. So possibly we'll try to find out the solution for it.
Sure.
I hope all the queries are answered. If there are any unanswered queries, I request people to come up with their questions. Sarvina ma'am says, please show how we can change the color of the text if possible. Can we change?
Yeah, I'll just share my screen.
Okay.
So I have this, if my screen is visible, you have to simply come to text tools also and see, you can change the color from here, color. This is the background color though. Font color can be changed from somewhere here. So let's change it for this one, global goals. So I select this and simply, just like MS Word, this one is. So I change it here.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am.
So a simple trick, अगर आप टेक्स्ट पे सपोज म्यूजिक पे कर रहे हो तो यहाँ म्यूजिक टूल्स पे क्लिक कर दो, अगर आप वीडियो क्लिप पे कर रहे हो तो वीडियो टूल्स पे कर दो. सिंपल ट्रिक. अगर आप टेक्स्ट पे वर्क कर रहे हो तो टेक्स्ट टूल्स पे क्लिक कर दो. So you will get the related options of text here. You can always reduce the duration, like this. This global goal is going throughout the clip for me. Okay, from this starting till end. Now, if I want, let's say, my clip to end little, my text to vanish or appear little later, so I can always reduce the duration of the text from here. Let's say I want to reduce 3, and I just place this text little, drag it here. So अब वो मेरा text शुरू से शुरू नहीं होगा, वो थोड़ा देर में जाके शुरू होगा. So this simple tips and tricks. So started recording. From here it starts. So this is how it is. So any other query?